What happens when a defendant facing serious charges across multiple jurisdictions decides he wants his attorney off the case and wants everything handled on his terms? In this tense courtroom exchange, the judge makes it clear that you can't simply move the pieces around and expect every court to play along. And as more details about his probation and new charges come to light, the situation gets even more complicated.
Yeah, you're always welcome. Willis?
He is in custody of Lafayette Jail.
Oh, is he?
Foster Parish.
Should we get in the car and go see him or? Okay.
He doesn't want to see
Is
me
he-
anymore, and so I'm here to withdraw.
Was that right?
Yes, sir.
What? Should we wait until he shows up or what?
No, sir.
You
He's
don't
going to be in custody, it looks like, for at least a year, based on a plea offer that the lawyer in Lafayette conveyed.
Do we have to wait a year? Though?
No,
To get in
don't
here?
necessarily go to other states and get anything. It's not. I think it's done very often.
What was he convicted of over there?
he's not been convicted, sir. He's on probation here for UUMV and for evading.
It's some drug cases there, Judge.
Some drug cases?
Yes, he's got a possession under 15 pounds marijuana, and
Yeah, when it's in pounds, that's never good. So what do you want to do?
he wants me off the case. He thinks, I think, that we need to do something here. Ms. Morris made the offer in writing to plead the defendant to something concurrent with the Lafayette Parish prosecutor's recommendation. My co-counsel, well, not co-counsel, but counsel in Louisiana is Alfred Bastaney III. And Mr. Bastaney is trying to work a deal with drug court to keep him on probation there of some sort if he does a year in jail. And I think they're trying to finalize that plea. Ms. Moore, a couple of weeks ago, conveyed the offer in writing that she would plead him to something concurrent. Am I appropriately?
That
And
is
these
correct.
MTRPs?
Yes, sir.
They're MTRPs.
Yes, sir.
Not anything new. These are
No, sir.
It's just new in Lafayette. They've got the more serious cases. And he and I talked on the phone with a third party from jail. He's angry that this isn't moving faster, and so he would like me to withdraw.
It's not on his timetable.
I spoke with his attorney there also, and I believe they were going to court on their cases there when I spoke with him, and he was going to try to work it out and call me back, but I haven't heard if they've worked anything out yet.
They have not yet. He says it's pending, and he thinks that he'll get it, but we've been working. I've been on the case since April. He hasn't been able to swing it yet. I think that he may. He's got two different prosecutors, one in for the MRP there, and one for a new case there. That's my understanding.
Well, he's
So he was on
probation over
probation.
here, too.
Yes, sir.
3 probation.
Yes, sir.
Two here, one there, and a new case there.
Well, I know. Sounds like he wants to do it on his terms, but that might not work out that way. But what's important is today with you,
Yes,
you're
sir.
asking to withdraw.
Yes, I've provided him notice. There are no further settings in this court. Ms. Moore has made an offer in writing. I've conveyed it to the accused and to his lawyer, Mr. Bastaney. And I think with that written offer, as soon as they work it out in Louisiana, your cases will also work out. That's what I hope. That's what I saw.
Yes, ma'am.
But he's ticked. His family's ticked, and so
That's okay.
they want a new
So,
lawyer.
a new lawyer, they shall have.
Yes, sir.
Your request is granted on each of these two cases, 24 CR 915 and 914. And just best wishes to you. You're always welcome here. Thank you.
Well, I came to see you. I hadn't practiced in Jeff County in a while, and I wanted to check out the lay of the land. It was
Well, how's it look?
It looks beautiful.
Yeah.
We didn't have a courthouse for about 4 years.
We'd have painted it if we knew you were going to come. I'd have brought some paint, but of course, you're always welcome.
Thank you, sir. One clarification I wanted out with your coordinator, but I want to be sure that the court reporter takes it.
Yes.
I was actually only hired on one of the cases, but
Do you know?
Yes, sir.
914? Okay.
Thank you.
So who was representing?
Nobody, he never signed a second contract, they never made a payment, but I just represented
Okay.
him on both. Because I had
Oh,
gone
okay.
ahead and worked on both, I filed the motion to withdraw on both, although I'm officially only on one.
914.
Awesome.
Then your request is granted and we'll send him something that shows that you have been allowed to withdraw and he's gonna have to get a new lawyer one way or the other
Yes, sir.
when he gets down here.
Or they'll do a pro se thing, you know, I don't know what.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I sure appreciate your time today.
Thank you. Thank you. You
Yes,
do
sir.
us the honor. Have a safe trip back.
Yes, sir, we'll do. That'll be online, right?
Yes,
Thank you so
give
much.
me like
Yes.
12 hours and you can get an image.
Are you Mr. Larry?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hi, nice to meet you. Yeah, well, I didn't know who I talked to. Okay, great. Thank you so much. Ms. Moore, always a pleasure. All right, you too. Y'all drop safe.
There's Mr. Laird. Tim.
Oh,
That's
well,
him.
thank you for all your help, Mr. Larry. Come on. Nice to see you. Take care.
He thought,
No,
she thought Jimmy was Mr. Laird.
you didn't have to go there.
Jimmy, he's been using your name a
I
lot.
think that sometimes too.
He's been using your name.
Time goes this way, not this way.
So lately he's been getting some spam notices. I'm purely responsible.
Well, let's
Yes.
when I start hearing bars giving him free drinks, that's when I'm gonna worry. Because he doesn't go to the bars. So who's using his name? Hey, on that, by the way, on that Willis case,
Yes, sir.
that's yours.
Yes, sir.
I know what you said, but it's up to me to decide what I'm gonna do on those motions, you know? And, he's got some bad stuff in here. On those two things. I'm not sure that I would have necessarily gone through with his deal, but he's gonna have to be answerable to us, and it sounds like he's deciding how the show should go. And I'm not there on that. I'm gonna have to be convinced with the next lawyer is represents him.
Well, I believe our charges are state jail charges and he has,
No, did he give you those spots again? I know one of them is for sure.
is that a jail in third degree?
I think it was
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
And-
it's-
and it, listen, admitting. Yeah.
So our charges are state jail and a third degree.
Possession with intent to distribute on my watch a few months after he's put on probation. And then failing to report by mail, but it's that one out of Lafayette County. Illegal possession with intent to distribute. It's a few months after he's put on probation.
So Judge, I was looking at the fact that he's on, I believe he was on probation there for attempted first degree murder, so they have they should have a hammer that's a little bigger than ours, so that's why I was
Yeah.
considering that
I know.
whatever we do, they
We
can
still have
do
a
way
limit.
before.
We still have a limit. He's still answerable. Too many times the defendants think, well, they can do all kinds of things in different counties and they can package them in as one deal, as a package. The more they can do, the
It's finished.
Yeah, when they're
we get to
finished.
the cop-
It's finished.
They're-
Thank you. Hey, Brent Harley Harrington.
Yes, sir.
And.
Judge Ms. Harrington is retaining Mr. Jared Allison to know her case. She's gonna have parents. We're here to find out how him.
Norway, that's the new hospital. Let's see if you were the hospital. I can be right in. You were right in.
Good year to tell Terrence that I said since he's being hired on law. Terrence is a good guy. Yeah, I like it. Terrence is a good guy.
Well, okay, what is this, April 1st of 26? Ironic. We will, so when is he going to get hired? When is he going to get hired? In a week or so? Okay, I'm gonna set it 2 weeks.
He just,
We're gonna
that's
have
fine.
some setting here. Hey, John, Vontae Frederick?
The judge may have granted the attorney's withdrawal, but this case is far from over, and the next lawyer could be walking into a much bigger fight. What do you think the court should do next? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more real courtroom moments, unexpected twists, and cases that keep you watching until the very end.